attempted assault. The Jamaican singer also faces other charges, including attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault, or attempted aggravated assault. Due to privacy restrictions, the Amsterdam police have not released the names and nationalities of those involved. However, they confirmed some details of the incident. On Friday, October 1, the Prison Walls singer, who was in the Netherlands as part of a European tour, allegedly stabbed Roots Vibes promotion promoter Nicardo Papa Blake during an altercation on the Dam Square in the city center of Amsterdam. Papa, who is 45, reported the incident to a police station and was later taken to an area hospital for surgery. As we previously reported, Jacquier, whose real name is Sikatur Alcock, was arrested on October 2 in the city center of Utrecht. According to the Jamaica Gleaner, Jacquier, who is 42, was remanded to a detention center for 14 days while the police investigation continues. In 1998, Jacquier was sentenced to 13 years in prison for raping and robbing a woman at gunpoint. He served 8 years, and during the last leg of his sentence, the singer's popularity skyrocketed following the release of his hit singles, Longing For, Love Is, and True Reflection. His 2015 album, The Cure, earned him a Grammy Award nomination for Best Reggae Album that year. Last month, he announced that he was adding the final touches to a new album titled Undeniable. The crooner's last Instagram entry on October 1 was a series of photos of himself captioned Fashion Killer. They appear to be taken before his September 29 performance at Melkweg, a popular concert hall and cultural center in Amsterdam. Remember, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe and notification button to keep up to date on our newest and latest videos. Also, remember to check out dancehallmag.com for your current news on dancehall culture.